Okay, in this video we're going to look at how you can use your calculator to convert from degrees to radians and vice versa. So the key thing in this one is make sure your calculator is in the mode you want to convert to. So if we're going radians to degrees, we want our mode in degrees because that's what we're converting it to. So if we have 0.6 radians, we're going to grab our calculator, and mine is in radians at the moment, so I need to convert that to degrees. So I'm going to go mode, arrow down till I see the radians, go across, press enter for degrees, second quit to get out of it. I'm going to type my 0.6, and then I'm going to go into that angle function there and look for where the R is for radians. So I'm going to select that, and so now on my screen I have 0.6R. I can then press enter, and it's going to tell me that that is 34.377 degrees. So I might round that to 34.38 degrees for my answer. Another one like that, we've got the 1.89. So doing that again, 1.89, second apps, and go to the radians, and I get 108.29 degrees there. If I'm going back the other way, so if I want to go to radians, I need my mode in radians. So I'm going to go back to my mode, I'm going to change it to radians, and then I'm going to put in what I've got. So if I've got 38 degrees, I'm going to do 38, second apps again. This time I'm choosing degrees. Now if I had minutes and seconds there, I could put that in as well, but I've only got degrees, and I press enter, and I get that it is 0.66 radians, and I can put the little r there if I want, or often it's left without that notation. Hopefully that helped. If you want to look at how to do that without the calculator, I'll link the videos below for those extra skills.